How to delete Lyft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Lyft account. Now you want to get the option directly on the Lyft app. What you'll have to do is you'll have to head into your browser. Now on your browser you want to head out there and you want to search in for Lyft help. Once you open up the browser and search in for Lyft help, you can see the very first option, Lyft help. You want to head into that option there. Now if you scroll down below here, all the way down below, you'll find on all health topics you want to see delete my account option. Simply tap on delete my account option and it will take you to another page. Now here you can see how to delete my Lyft account, delete, download account data, restoring a deleted account option. Simply tap on how to delete account and here it will show you go to account deletion, then follow the steps, visit our data privacy page. Once logged in, first you'll have to log into your account and you want to choose to download your data and start under the delete account section and select account for delete. So once you do so, you want to confirm your request by entering delete option. This way you can delete your Lyft account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.